In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero how-to, activity statement reporting, unfiled GST amounts, 5 minutes. We'll walk through how to access your activity statement in Xero, choose the right reporting period, generate the statement, review the summary and underlying transactions, and export a copy as a PDF or Excel file. By the end, you'll know exactly where your unfiled GST amounts sit and how to check the details behind them. Start by logging into your Xero account. On the Xero login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and click Login again to proceed. Make sure you're accessing the correct Xero organization, especially if you manage more than one. You'll land on the Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, open the accounting menu and select Reports. This is where Xero keeps all your financial and tax reporting. In the Reports area, look for Activity Statement. This report surfaces your BIAS-related data, including GST collected and GST paid, that hasn't been filed yet. Next, choose the date period you want to report on. Pick the start and end dates that match your BAS cycle, whether monthly or quarterly. Getting the dates right is essential because the statement calculates unfiled GST amounts based on that period. Once the dates are set, click Create Statement to generate the report. When the statement opens, you'll see a summary at the top and detailed transactions supporting those totals. The summary helps you quickly gauge GST on sales and GST on purchases for the period. If something looks off, use the transactions view to check individual entries. You can scan for unusual amounts, incorrect GST tax rates, or entries that may need review. If you identify an issue, make any necessary corrections in the original transaction so the statement updates accurately. This is the fastest way to reconcile unfiled GST amounts before you submit your BAS. When you're happy with the numbers, you can export the statement. Click Export and choose PDF if you want a clean shareable document, or Excel if you prefer to analyze, filter, or reconcile further in a spreadsheet. It can be helpful to include the period in your file name so it's easy to track. That's the process from start to finish. Log in, navigate to reports, open activity statement, select your date range, create the statement, review the summary and transactions, and export your file. If you're unsure about a tax setting or reporting basis, check your Xero GST settings or consult your advisor before filing. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay sections as you work through your own activity statement in Xero.